What is?
What's what?
This.
Oh, I don't know.
Ah!
Did you kill it?
No! I don't know what that was. All I wanna be and you. Been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? All I wanna be and you.
Once again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Merry almost Christmas, Y and R fam. I am in the ugly sweater today because I made a theme day at work. Ugly sweater. And yesterday was, Christmas colors with the hat. I'm wearing back the hat today. Good times. Hope you guys liked the video that we posted yesterday.
If you haven't watched our previous video, please pause right here and go watch it. Yeah? Let us know. Right in the comments the comment section, keep it active. Let us know what you guys will be doing this year. I know for some people it will be different. For a lot of reasons. It could be financially, it could be because family is no longer with us. It could be that we're no longer with the family. So many different reasons.
Yeah, people do things differently. Like some people, once it's Christmas, it's just party. Some is, as you were saying, family. And then others, well, as I have, and I guess you are now slowly evolving into, just cooking. And a few friends involved as well.
What is he talking about?
What? Christmas I chat about?
Yeah, but I'm alright, so I don't know if you should have known. Anyways, I'm accustomed to Christmas Day and Boxing Day cookout. So I have a family friend who's there. We usually go on Boxing Day for the cookout and all of them something. And that's like an annual thing. And that's just a regular occurrence. So I'm accustomed to that. And we would cook little something. Well, I can't do the whole fancy ham and pork and mutton and chicken. We can probably only afford 2 pieces of fish or 4 good enough size fishes and a few pieces of chicken. But yeah, man, it's all about the food for us this year. Of course, family is important just the same. So we're gonna see if we can incorporate some of that.
Friends who are now considered family.
Yeah.
But for me, I actually don't remember anything really from the childhood Christmases. Honestly, I don't remember.
What?
Huh?
Really?
Yeah, I really don't. But I can definitely remember is what has become the norm. Oh wow. What has become the norm for me is to just cook.
Oh no.
Just cook. Christmas come, cook. New Year's come, cook. I just cook a bag of food. And a bunch of the recent Christmases. Wow, look at this. A bunch of recent Christmases, I honestly was home alone and I just cook. And I mean, might not be the whole Christmas thing that everybody used to, but that was it for me. What is? What's what?
This.
Oh, I don't know.
Ah!
Did you kill it?
No! I don't know what that was.
It was an insect.
So there's a weird looking insect that's in my bag. It's a weird looking insect. I know I'm afraid for going in the bag because I don't know if it bite. It look weird. It kind of look like a shrimp, but it's like a mini island size.
Like a mantis. Is it a mantis?
What? No.
What's a mantis?
Remember one? No. Mantis not have foot, long foot.
Oh, that's a praying mantis.
Me no, neither one. No, neither one.
Oh well. Oh yeah, for the new year.
What happened for the new year?
If we can't talk. If you don't want to be less disappointed, and if you don't want to keep a little bit more money in your pocket, one thing that you can do, and this is a model of mine, and it has become a model of hers as well. Cook. Buy and cook at your yard and carry your food to work. When the food don't taste good, you have nobody to blame but yourself. You have nobody to blame but yourself. And you go keep that money in your pocket. I find it ridiculous that people go to work. Where did this today? Anyways, I find it ridiculous that people go to work 9 morning, then buy breakfast. And you know so how things stay now is like over $400 for breakfast.
It ain't
and
cheap.
Then boom, lunch again. Like, you know, I spend half of what I money when I get
unnecessarily
for food cook in the yard. Oh, I don't have the time, you know, this, you know, that.
If you don't ever know what time we cook.
Hold on, no? The time what you don't have, what you do, you're done in a phone. You cook at your yard and carry go work. If you can't cook, YouTube exists. We're done.
You better care food still. You'll save a lot of money. Trust me, you'll realize that you save a whole lot of money if you cook up one food and carry it. And I guess as Ren said, if food don't taste good, you only have yourself to blame. To blame. You can only blame yourself. But cook up in the yard. You'll realize folk that you save a whole lot of money because
Come to realize.
you're probably spending money for
Maybe something like that.
yeah.
Ooh, the mind is powerful.
No man, something was crawling. You'll probably oh my gosh. You're probably spending fare to go to work. So to and from work. Factor in breakfast money. Factor in lunch money. That's over $1,000 now. And some amount of fare already close to $1,000. Like, hello. Where you get money from? Please tell me where you get money from. Unless you're not rich but people who are rich don't even do them. Yeah, they'll eat out every single day. Or they just hire maids and they are chefs and they cook for them. You know? So I'm still I get home cooked meal, but I guarantee you it's gonna taste better. It's more economical for sure. And it's gonna taste better. You'll be more pleased with whatever it is that you take to work because you know what circumstance you have or they go through, why you care.
And you can cook what you want.
That too.
Because enough time you want to get food somewhere and they don't have
you
what
want
you
something,
want.
yeah.
You can cook what you
want
want,
a
how you
particular
want.
thing.
And you know, you like how you have some places where don't want you. Like again, down this side. It's a crime for them to mix foods. I don't know what it is. It's a crime for them to mix food. So you can put your brown stew chicken with your baked chicken or whatever you want to do, because you prepare it. Make your food from your yard. Keep some money in your pocket.
Welcome to Yan and Red's Economic Talk. Or that was the end of Yan and Red's Economic.
Today is what? Today is Tuesday.
It is Tuesday.
20th of December. So we just have a few more days. Guys, we are gonna try to go live Sunday while we do some cooking.
Where?
Doesn't matter. We're gonna try to go live. If we not go live, we're gonna record some videos. We'll try to get it out as quickly as possible so you can partake in our version of our Christmas celebration. Or our version of Christmas celebration. Yeah, and keep us posted on what you guys are doing as well. Again, we want to know what you're cooking, where you're going, all of that good stuff.
What you doing this festive season? Yeah. Will you be going to church? Will you be partying? Or just spending time with family? I grew up going to church. I definitely grew up going to church on Christmas Day, Christmas morning. And then like by midday or 1 p.m. to the latest, we were all done and just kind of chilling and liming with each other. We may have like cakes, sharing. Like I remember a couple years my mom and I, we baked cakes and we actually brought them to church. So we baked cakes for the church and share it up and everybody had a piece of cake to eat. Not a slice of cake. Yeah. That's what we did growing up.
I still don't remember
when I was
anything.
but yeah, I think we've moved away in a sense. Some of us have moved away from what we're accustomed to.
The traditional.
Yes.
practice.
And it's not that we no longer value family, it's just that it's a different perspective, you know. We look at things differently. But in all things though, we always have to put God first, or we should be putting God first, ensuring that He's in the midst of everything, you know, being grateful for, because you're almost at the close of another year, you know, and then by your look, in a week, you're in 2023. Yeah.
But Happy New Year. Merry Christmas when it comes. Happy New Year when it comes. Hopefully we'll be here. Hopefully you will all still be here. By the grace of God. Yeah. I'm Renouy.
And I'm Yanique.
Well,